honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, this is a what's in my trash video. And I'll tell you whether or not I liked it or whether I wouldn't buy it again. Let's get started. Okay, starting with my Mixed Chicks deep conditioner. I've already bought another one. This is empty. Lord, I wasted water. But this is empty. I've already bought another. This is what I co-wash my hair with. Mixed Chicks deep conditioner. Okay, and you can find it in Target, Walmart, Walgreens, stores like that, CVS. And I use the leave-in conditioner also with this. Okay, I like this a lot. A lot. Something else, I don't even know if it really works or not. Charcoal under eye patches. I got these from Amazon because I got dark suitcases under my eyes, y'all. So, it's supposed to take care of the under eye bags and dark circles. So far, it hasn't done anything. And how many were in here? 15 pair were in here. That's what I got left. Oh, they put a gold one in here too. Well, what I was using is the charcoal under eye patches. And they just look just like what this lady has. Put it under the eyes. Let it stay on for how many minutes? 20 to 30 minutes, but no longer than that, because then it'll start drawing moisture away from your skin, and you don't want that. And they put a free 24 gold under eye patch in here. I didn't know this was in here. Okay, so I probably won't buy this again because I don't see no difference. Still got these dark suitcases. Carry-on luggage. Okay, what else? Okay. I usually buy Q-tips because they're the best brand rather than buying them store brands. Then I took a chance and bought some Whispers. Swabs, cotton swabs. And these are actually as good or better than Q-tips, the Q-tip brand. I got some Q-tips that I had bought and I just put it in this container. So I had Q-tips in a couple rooms. And these were leopard print. Very nice. So the Whispers brand cotton swabs are good. Every bit as good as Q-tip brand, or even better. Plus they come in pretty designs. Okay, yes, I will buy this again. Okay. This is what I use for my hair to tame these frizzies. The Yellow Eco Styler Gel. The green is too soft for my hair. I've used the clear also when it's good. That's what I used, Eco Styler Gel. What else? Oh, okay, I've been using the Crystal deodorant for 2.5 years, and it stopped working for me. And I ain't about to be smelling like a whole sack of old grandpappies. So, I told my daughter, and she told me about this other deodorant that she uses. It's a natural deodorant. It's called Kopari. Kopari. Can't get it good. Kopari. And it looks like this, and it works. And it smells good, and it works. That's the main thing. It works. It's a deodorant. It's not an antiperspirant deodorant. It's a deodorant. And it has coconut oil in it. And I like it a lot. So it looks like. Still can't see it. Okay, it's too bright. Yes, I will be buying this again. Okay, this is what I use for my acne. I still have acne. It's the Clean and Clear MzBrazell 10 maximum strength, and it's 10% benzoyl peroxide. This is, I squeezed the heck out of this. So yes, I already got a new tube in the bathroom cabinet. So yes, I will be buying this again. This is what I use day and morning and night. Part of my routine. On my nose and my chin. That's where I break out. I like it a lot. Okay, now to the, let me show you this. The Clean Skin Club clean towels. I showed this before. So I had bought 2 packages to start with. So I'm almost down to the end of my first pack. So I got a few left in here. And I had made this to sit on my bathroom counter. I covered up the box like this, cut a slit in the back so I can dispense it easily. So I will be buying these again when this runs out. So I'll be taking these out of here, putting them in here. I like these a lot. I used to use all kind of stuff. Wissy wipes. I used to use different washcloths just for my face. And then, come to think of it, I was steady putting germs on my face from that washcloth. Because I don't wash washcloths every day. I keep using it. And I had begun to buy the brown washcloth because my makeup is brown. But then I couldn't see all the dirt and germs that was in it. Then I started buying the white ones, and they look so nasty. And then Lynette Longmire, she reviewed this on her channel, and it was on now. Okay, I started using these, and I love them. And after you use one of these, you can actually clean your sink, clean the counter, clean everything. And just throw it away, because it's actually a cloth. And I had started cutting mine in half. Let me show you. I'm going to show you the texture. Because they're big. So they're actually twice this size. I cut it in half this way. So one side is textured. And the other side is smooth. So you can use the texture side to get all in the nitty gritty, get down to it. And it's not a paper towel, even though it looks like a paper towel. It's not paper, it's actually cloth. Nice and sturdy. And it's good enough to clean your bathroom with after you finish washing your face. So, yes, I will be buying these again. I'll leave a link. And I have a special link and a code. I forgot what the code was. I think it's MzBrazell. If you purchase this and put in my code, we'll both get some kind of percentage off. You'll get a nice percentage off. Okay. And going down to my body wash. This is something I picked up one day when I was at Walgreens, and it was $3 and something. I didn't have high hopes for it. I thought it was just like any other body wash. It's good, y'all. All you need is a little bit on your poof or wash rag, and a little bit goes a long way. And it smells so good. So this one is the Violet Blooms with vitamin E. From Walgreens. It's very good. And this is my Dove shower foam. So it's a little bit left down in here. So I'm actually waiting for it to get empty. And I'm going to put some of this in it. I'm going to fill it up to about right here. And then put the rest water. Shake it up good. Then I have another body wash foam. Because it's in this bottle with this special foam top. So I'm going to make my own body wash to make this last. And this is what I've been using. The Ivory Clean body wash. And it comes in different fragrances. Water lily scent and aloe scent. I've tried all of them. I like it because it comes in such a large bottle and it's so inexpensive and it works good. So, yes, I will be buying these again. And I won't buy the Dove again. I only bought it because of the foaming top it has, so I can make my own. So what else do I have here? That's it, y'all. So, it's only one thing I won't buy again because I haven't seen an improvement. And that's this. Oh, and the crystal deodorant. It worked while it worked, but then when it didn't, it didn't. So, maybe my body got immune to it. But it worked for a good 2.5 years. This is what it looks like. It's a crystal. Like I said, it worked for a long time. So I'm still going to hold on to it. But this is a no for me. Thanks for watching my What's in My Trash video. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. And stay in and stay safe. Okay. Y'all be blessed. Bye.